Hi, I'm John Roy Maliling from San Miguel, Bierman. To all taxpayers of RDO 24 Valenzuela City, avoid the rush, file and pay your income tax correctly. Deadline on or before April 15, 2024. Sa tamang buwis, mag-asenso'y mabilis, kaya magbayad na. From Revenue District Number 24 Valenzuela City, headed by ARD Corazon R. Balinas and RD Brendo Panganiban. Revenues Region Number 5, Caloocan City.
Maging masikasik sa